Gotta love Canadian bacon. Good. So this is my egg and bacon sandwich with my secret sauce. Wanted to show you. I made it for breakfast. I'll put it on top there. Oh, look at it juicing out. There, I cut it so you can see the inside. And yes, I'm having this for breakfast, my darlings, but you can make this fried egg and bacon sandwich anytime, like for dinner too. So what's for dinner tonight would be really yummy. So I'm going to go and try it. And oh my gosh, looking forward to it. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. What you're looking at is some rice, some black beans, and green beans. So I did a mixture. And we've got some tortillas here, and these are big ones. If you can get the big ones, get them for like when you're doing like wraps and burritos and stuff. That's really good. And then I have some chicken here. They were chicken breasts, and I've just cut them up. And we're going to make like a chicken burrito thing. I'll show you. So I'm just in the midst of finishing it off. So I also hand grated some cheddar cheese. We got some sour cream here. If you haven't tried this, try to find this Kraft Bacon Caesar, oh my god, dressing. It's amazing. We'll drizzle a little bit of that. I've got hot sauce for myself, and of course my special sauce I'm going to use. So now I'm going to put the chicken wrap together. So this is what hubby's looks like. Now I'm just going to wrap it up, and then I'm going to put it in the pan to reheat up. So this is mine, but I haven't put my cheese and other like hot sauce or anything on it, but I just wanted to show you this is what it looks like. And this is all homemade. Like I made the rice, I put the beans in and everything. I cooked up the chicken. So just to let you know, it's very easy to do, and it's so delicious. And this is just with the cheese and my hot sauce and whatnot. But make it your own. Do whatever your family likes with these wraps. They're just so yummy, and they're so easy to do. A little time consuming, but very good in the end. I just quickly wanted to show you, these are the style of the wraps that we were using. And I think my hubby got these at Food Basics. But I'm sure you can get these large ones anywhere. So here's the shot of them in the pan. That's hubby's. This is mine. So here's what's for dinner tonight, finally, my darlings. Here's what they look like. And I know they don't really look like much, but believe me, I'm sure and I'm not just saying this because I made it. Well, maybe I am, I don't know, but they are pretty good. So have fun making these, or put whatever you want in them. But that's what we're having for dinner tonight. New Dream Donuts. Peanut butter, cheesecake, s'mores, and birthday cake confetti. New Dream Donuts, inspired by your favorite desserts. Indulge in 3 new flavors and so here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. What you're looking at is I'm roasting up some yellow and red peppers. I chopped them up with a little bit of olive oil, and I also have chopped up some little cherry tomatoes. I am going to be making some nachos, and I think I have shared that before, but this is what we're having, and I'm just going to take you along. Cooking up some ground beef, and here is the nachos I'm using, or the chips. And I didn't have any like chili powder or taco seasoning, so I'm just using the Red Lobster, a little bit of Red Lobster seasoning. It still smells great. So here's what's for dinner tonight, my darlings. Nachos. And this is what it turned out like. And normally I put black beans on here too, but we've been having black beans a lot, so I just didn't do that. And I'm going to put some sour cream on here. I have hot sauce on here, and the white stuff you see is the Kraft Bacon Kraft bacon Caesar dressing, and that stuff is, oh my god, it's so good. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. And you can put whatever you like on your nachos. Let me know down below. Like, some people like lettuce and if I had hot peppers, I'd probably put those on too. But yeah, let me know how you like your nachos. So I just wanted to quickly share with you this morning that I'm making a smoothie, and it's really quite simple. I put a little bit of water, a little bit of milk, a lot of spinach, baby spinach, a frozen banana that I had, and that brown stuff that you're seeing is a little bit of chocolate Slim Fast, just a little bit. And I also have, you can see these right here. It's really hard because the sun's coming up, so maybe I'll move you over here. Those are chia seeds. So I don't really use anything fancy. I kind of use whatever I have on hand. So I'm gonna blend this up now, and I just use a magic bullet to blend it. Here's what it looks like. Yeah, it doesn't look like much, but I'm going to give it a try. It's a smoothie. Yeah, it's good. Just wanted to share the smoothie with you. You can put anything in smoothies, and they're really easy to do. So I just wanted, if you haven't been making smoothies, you think it's hard, it's really quite simple. So here's what we're having tonight for dinner, my darlings. As you can see, we've got corn on the cob boiling here. And I'm going to make a little bit of garlic bread. We're just having a really just quick and easy, simple dinner. We're both not that hungry tonight. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight.